Hello everybody. This video represent you my indicator. First of all, I want to forgive me for my English is not my native language actually, but I will try to tell everything about the indicator so you will better understand how to use it. Okay. First of all, you have to apply my indicator to XBT USD chart from the BitMEX, and it must be Bitcoin US dollar perpetual inverse swap contract. Okay. The second thing, you have to apply it only to 1 hour time frame. Please do not use another time frames because its accuracy will be not perfect. It works perfect only with 1 hour time frame. Okay, if you have already get access from me to my indicator, then you have to apply it by pressing the invite only scripts and just apply two indicators, Bitcoin super indicator and secret open close XBT indicator. Okay. Second indicator must be adjusted, so you need to make some settings. I will send it to you if you have already bought my indicator. Okay. So this is a working area. Now I have some template for you. I have already made some remarks, so you better understand what to do in different situations. Okay, this is a starting date 15 March 2019. This is approximately 1 week trading, so you can see all the signals here. Signal and second indicator. Okay. First of all, on 15 March we got long signal, and as you can see, it was perfect here. But second indicator shows us bad market structure. You can see it. You can understand it by watching this red and green lights. This one by one. This is not good structure. Good structure looks like this one. When the market goes up and down and crossing the zero line. Yes, this one is a zero. If you can see a lot of red and green lines without crossing 0 point, then it is a bad sign. But these signals sometimes gives us a very good profit. So if you enter this signal, then it will better if you leave some part of your position for higher prices. Usually I'm advising to leave 20 or 30 of your position that has been accumulated here for these targets. Okay. Okay, here you can see this organic movement of market. Here was no any manipulations, and all the signals works perfectly. Also, I'm advise you to read my strategy. You can find it in link, or if you cannot find link, just request it from me. Okay. Okay. The second thing I wanna tell you about the high position of second indicator. What does it mean? Here you can see that long power accumulating here, but long signal came on the fourth line above zero. Actually, this is a bad sign because after this the power going down to short. So this position is counting as a high position of second indicator. If you trade here, then you must buy less amount of contracts than usually, because this signal could be incorrect. And also I'm advised not trade in the beginning of the month, first week of month. Actually, this is from 2 to 7. For example, 2 to 7 of January there was a lot of manipulation, so you easily can get stop loss. So I'm advising to take a rest at this time. Okay. This is a bad long signal and this is a bad short signal. Here you can see that second indicator goes down below 0 and it was a fourth line. This is a not good sign. Good sign, good signal will be if you get signal somewhere here above 0 for short, or like here below 0 for long. This is a good signal for long. This is a good signal for short because short is above 0, long is below 0. This is a good signs for long and short. Okay, and if you wanna ask me when better to close your position, if you are in long here, for example, then you have to wait 2 lines, another color. If you're in long, then you are waiting 2 red lines. If you're in short, then you are waiting for 2 green lines. And after that, this is a sign that you have to find a good point to exit your position. And also you can leave a 20 or 30% of contracts and place a stop loss to your entry zone. So if the price goes against your position, then you will be your position will be closed without any loss and in good profit because you have already fixed 70 or 80% of your contracts. Okay, and bad structure was here too. You can see this is green and red lines, green and red lines. So this is a bad structure. Okay, and the final thing that I want to tell you about is how to make an alarm system. If you want to get alarms on every signal when it comes, you can make it here. Just right button click on Super Bitcoin indicator and press add alert. Here you can choose alert on long or alert on short. If you are using the free version of TradingView, then you can place only one alert. And then if you have a premium, then you can place both alerts. I can give you advice if you're using the free version, then you, for example, you're expecting long signal. You can know that the next signal will be long because of signals coming in the next queue, like short long. You will not get 2 longs in a row or 2 shorts in a row. Strictly after short you will get long. So if you have a free version of TradingView, and you're expecting long signal, then place alert on long only once. Once per bar. And if you have a premium version, then your signals will be played forever. And if you have a free version, then you should know that in a month you have to place these alerts again. Okay, and press. You can also download the TradingView application and get notification to your mobile phone. You can receive emails from TradingView when the signal came. You can select the sound and how long it will work. And just press create. And here in alerts, you will see this is a long signal. And add alert on short, once per bar, and create. Okay, when the next signal comes, then you will get notification. This is the main points that I want to tell you about. If you have any questions, just send message to me. Thank you, and good luck in trading. And almost forget that I can explain how to detect when the next long or short signal will come, but the continue of this video will be available only for those who will buy the indicator.